14,000 unread. Maybe that's you. Maybe you're at 200. Either way, it's fine. No judgment here. Today we're going to fix it in about 10 minutes. Start with what Gmail already gives you. Search for a sender or use operators. Older than 1 year, larger than 10 megabytes. Then the trick most people miss. Select all and click Select all conversations that match this search. Now delete acts on thousands at once, not 50. That clears the backlog. But here's the problem. The same senders refill your inbox next week. Cleaning sender by sender, forever, is not a system. This is where Command K comes in, a free Chrome extension that upgrades Gmail. It has a word for repeat offenders, Nuke. Open any email from a sender you're done with and click the Nuke button. It deletes everything they've ever sent you and blocks whatever they send next. There's Nuke Company too, for the whole domain. Every address they mail you from, handled in one action. It sounds scary. It isn't, I promise. There's an undo if you accidentally nuked someone. For senders you want to keep but out of sight, there's Auto Archive. Their emails skip your inbox and file themselves quietly, searchable later, invisible today. Auto Delete works the same way, for things you never read anyway. Unsubscribe is one command, no hunting for the tiny gray link at the bottom of the email. And those sponsored rows Gmail puts in your inbox, Command K hides them, all of them. So here's the 10-minute routine. First, bulk delete the old stuff with search operators. Older than a year, gone. Second, open your most recent 50 emails and nuke every sender you're done with. This is the part that feels amazing. Third, auto-archive the keepers you don't need daily. From then on, the inbox mostly maintains itself. That's the cleanup, and it's one of about 20 upgrades Command K adds to Gmail. The complete guide is right here on the channel. Command K, everything Gmail should have had. It's free to try for 2 weeks. The link is right below.